Welcome to Learning Music Hub, an animated approach in music theory, made clear and easy to understand. In Lesson 5, you will be learning about the keyboard geography. If you want to read and learn notes quickly, you may always refer to this video and follow on all of our lessons. Studying the piano is like learning the idea of studying the essence of world's geography, on which we learn the location of places and the physical and cultural characteristics of those places in order to function more effectively in our increasingly interdependent world. Studying geography also helps us develop a mental map of a community, province, or territory, country, and the world that you can understand the world of places and events. We can relate the idea to make sense as we study the keyboard geography. The skill of keyboard geography is all about navigating the piano with ease and efficiency. It is a natural companion to note reading and has strong ties with fingering, two other major aspects of reading and playing music. It's easy to become proficient on the piano once you understand the basics of finding and playing the notes. But in order to improve or progress, pianists need to develop a sense of where their hands are on the keyboard at any one time so that their focus will be more on reading the music. It is important to keep your eyes on the page and to resist the temptation to look down too frequently. Advanced repertoire or sight reading a piece for the first time demands it, as the eyes can only focus on one part of the keyboard at once. Now, let's start exploring and navigating the 88-key standard piano keyboard. The best instrument to introduce the concept of music theory is to learn the standard piano or the keyboard instrument. Other piano keyboard has 32, 33, 36, 37, 49, 54, 61, and 76 keys. The standard piano keyboard has 88 keys. There are 36 black ones and 52 white ones. There are several steps in learning piano keyboard fast. Step 1. Recognize the lower and the higher register. The low sounds are to the left. Remember the words low and left starts with the letter L. High sounds are to the right. Step 2. Recognize all the 2 black key groups and the 3 black key groups from the lowest register to the highest register. There are 7 sets of 2 black key groups. Those are the first 2 black key, second 2 black key, third 2 black key, fourth 2 black key, fifth 2 black key, sixth 2 black key, and the 7th 2 black key. And there are 7 sets of 3 black key groups. Those are the first 3 black key, second 3 black key, third 3 black key, fourth 3 black key, fifth 3 black key, sixth 3 black key, and the 7th 3 black key. Step 3. Recognize all notes adjacent to the 2 black key groups and the note adjacent to the 3 black key groups from the lowest register to the highest register. There are 7 sets of CEs, as in cow eats, adjacent to the 2 black key groups. Those are the first CE, second CE, third CE, the fourth CE, the fifth CE, the sixth CE, and the 7th CE. And there are also 7 sets of FBs, as in Facebook, adjacent to the 3 black key groups. Those are the first FB, the second FB, the third FB, the fourth FB, the fifth FB, the 6th FB, and the 7th FB. Step 4. Recognize all notes between two black key groups and the notes between the three black key groups from the lowest register to the highest register. There are 7 sets of Ds, as in dogs, between the two black key groups. Those are the first D, the second D, the third D, the fourth D, the fifth D, the sixth D, and the seventh D. And there are also 7 sets of GAs, as in good always, between the three black key groups. Those are the first GA, the second GA, the third GA, the fourth GA, fifth GA, the sixth GA, and the seventh GA. Step 5. Recognize that the middle C is approximately in the middle of the keyboard. That is for two black key group from the lowest register, or at the 4-2 black key group from the highest register of the keyboard. Let's summarize. All notes below the two black key groups are the C, D, and E. Those are the first C, D, E, the second C, D, E, the third C, D, E, the fourth C, D, E, the fifth C, D, E, the sixth C, D, E, and the seventh C, D, E. All notes below the three black key groups are F, G, A, and B. Those are the first F, G, A, B, the second F, G, A, B, the third F, G, A, B, the fourth F, G, A, B, the fifth F, G, A, B, the sixth F, G, A, B, and the seventh F, G, A, B. The two remaining white keys on the lowest register to the left are the A and the B. The one remaining white key on the highest register to the right is the C. In studying the keyboard geography, don't forget the middle C. Let's make it super simple. Those are the C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Let's practice. Identify the above given keys. The answer is C. The answer is G. The answer is D. The answer is A. The answer is F. The answer is E. This is easier now. Identify the above given key. The answer is C. The answer is F. The answer is D. The answer is B. The answer is G. The answer is A. take advantage of this best and free music app only here in YouTube. Learning Music Hub, an animated approach, made clear and easy to understand. You can possess all these music lessons. Just click like, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you can always get updated with all of our great music lessons that's coming in your way. Thank you.